When a company is distributed, employees can choose to work from a variety of different geographic locations. A staff member might work from a home office, coffee shop, or a co-working location. They might even be a digital nomad who changes locations on a regular basis, and a snowy landscape the next. Distributed models give staff maximum autonomy and flexibility, which tends to be a highly valuable benefit, resulting in attracting top talent. In a distributed model, people working from the same physical space is quite rare. Software tools become the office. Informal conversations need to be encouraged and nurtured, and organizations may fly team members in for a deliberate, co-located event. Distributed teams tend to work especially well for groups that are working on non-tangible products, such as digital or knowledge products. At my company, we work exclusively with software, not physical products. We look for remote workers with a very particular skill set, developers who enjoy modernizing legacy systems and who are not easy to find in any one spot. My business partner and I also wanted to stay in a local hometown where we grew up, which further put a constraint on sourcing talent. Finally, we worked hard on defining the corporate culture we wanted and came up with 4 pillars: autonomy, balance, empathy, and trust. Once we did all of this analysis, we felt confident that moving to a completely distributed model was the right fit for our team. One of the biggest challenges of a distributed model is finding a way to replicate the social aspects that tend to occur more naturally when a team is working in a co-located model. We have to be incredibly intentional and work hard to create social structure by encouraging the cross-pollination of ideas to make this model successful. At Corky Bytes, we do this in 3 ways: prompts, affinity channels, and in-person socializing. Our chatbot, lovingly named Ain, after our mascot, prompts us with random questions every day. Things like, are you a good dancer? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Or do you root for any sports teams? In addition, we have affinity channels set up in Slack where people can share more about their personal lives. These channels help create a real sense of camaraderie. I share stories of my workout goals or silly things my kids did, just like I would in a traditional office. Even though the format has changed, the personal relationships stay the same. Finally, we were inspired by teams like Buffer, Zapier, and Automatic, who have flown our entire team to a central location for several days of socializing. I like to think of this as a year's worth of team lunches that take place in a compressed time frame. And because we don't see each other very often, we cherish and value these opportunities to get together in person. It's so easy to write off these social interactions as trivial, but getting to know the people on your team on a more personal level helps build trust. It's important to cultivate opportunities for your team to spend time getting to know each other, especially in a distributed environment.